Have you ever read a sentence and instantly felt it was wrong, even if you couldn't explain why? Take this line, for example. I run to the store yesterday. You probably feel something's off right away. Even if you don't know the actual grammar terms or how a verb differs from an adjective, your brain says, wait, that's not right. And you're correct. The verb should be ran, not run. You didn't analyze it, you just knew. Everyone has a gut sense of what sounds right and what doesn't. You don't have to analyze why something seems off, because you just know. That's human intuition at work, not logic. It's that split-second recognition that something doesn't fit. Everybody has intuition working for them to some degree. Now, here's a fact that may surprise you. Studies show that women's intuition is much stronger than men's. Not twice or 3 times stronger, but 10 times or even more. Because of this, a woman runs her life almost completely on intuition or gut feel, never on logic or rational thinking. When she feels something is wrong, she can't explain to you why or how, but she's often correct. If you're thinking of hiding something from a woman, good luck. She can sense when something's off, though she might not know what exactly. Now here's the thing about female intuition. It's powerful, but imperfect. A woman's intuition is a key asset to her, but it's a strength that can be twisted into a weakness if you know how. Because when you know how to use a woman's female intuition against her, you can pull her attention right where you want it. As Shogun Method practitioners know, once you capture attention, you've got access to her subconscious mind. As I teach in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com, the key to a woman's mind is through her intuition. When you violate her intuition, you take control of her subconscious, giving you a free hand to steer her thoughts. I'm not here to argue if that's moral or not, but I'll tell you straight up that the Intuition Violator technique works, and it works frighteningly well. So how do you actually violate a woman's intuition? Here's an example. Linda got turned on because she digs uniforms. In your mind, you're probably picturing a woman, Linda. Linda is attracted to guys in uniforms, maybe cops, soldiers, or firefighters. It's an easy thing to imagine, but look closer and see what really happened. You just accepted that Linda got turned on. You didn't question it for a second. Why? Because the sentence gave you a reason. Because she digs uniforms. You didn't question whether that statement is true. You just took it as the truth. Now look closer at this statement again. Linda got turned on because she digs uniforms. The word because is sneaky. A woman's intuition is conditioned to treat sentences with because as true. The word because carries authority. Once she hears it, her subconscious relaxes and she stops questioning the source. And that's when you can slip in commands she won't even notice. Here's how that looks in practice. You'll give me your number because you'll need it later. You'll agree with me because it's the sensible thing to do, and you're a sensible person. You'll want to do that now because it's important and urgent. Now think about those lines for a second. Those reasons are fake or irrelevant, but her subconscious can't detect this. It just accepts them as truth, as long as you use the word because. As a Shogun Method practitioner, hacking the female psyche is your domain. Shogun Method doesn't play on the surface level like normal dating advice. We dive deep into the female subconscious, the control panel of her mind that dictates her emotions and behavior automatically. Ask a woman sometime how she fell in love with someone. She'll probably say, I don't know, it just happened. And she's not lying, because that's exactly how it works. To a woman, falling in love isn't a conscious decision, but a subconscious response. And that's what Shogun Method gives you. Access to that hidden part of her mind that triggers those subconscious responses. It lets you plant ideas, feelings, and desires deep inside her without her realizing it. Imagine for a second the power that Shogun Method gives you. What will you do with this power? Now sure, the Shogun Method community gets flack for this. Haters call us manipulative, and they say it's unfair that we have this knowledge to get ahead. But the world is unfair. You either gain as much advantage as you can, or you get left behind. So you've got 2 choices now. 1, complain like everyone else about how hard it is to deal with women. Or 2, join the top 0.1% of men who understand how the female mind really works. Shogun Method is for men who choose the second path. If that's you, it's time to step in. Start with the Shogun Method online masterclass at fractionation.org. Every new Shogun begins there. Think of it as your initiation, a free boot camp that shows you the core principles of Shogun Method to get you off to a flying start. Scroll down below this video and you'll see the comment section. Find the link in the first comment and click it. There, you'll see the registration page for the online masterclass. Finally, remember this. To a woman, love isn't logical, but subconscious. She runs on emotional autopilot, and with Shogun Method, you'll take the wheel. Everything you need to know about controlling the female subconscious is inside Shogun Method. So, take the first step and watch the Shogun Method online masterclass now. Go to fractionation.org or click the link in the first comment below. Do it now. Fractionation.org